Come towards the top edge of your mat. Feet at hip width. Close down the eyes. Spread the fingers. Palms active and energized. Lifting up through the kneecaps. Slight tuck of the pelvis. Deep breath in. Expand the belly. Open the mouth. Let it all go. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana, hands reach all the way up, palms pressed together. Maybe a cheeky back bend, open and lift through the heart. Exhale, hinge at the hips, swan dive, hands come out, heart dips down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, broaden through the collarbones. Come up onto the fingertips or hands to the shin, lengthen through the back of the neck. Exhale, plant the palms, step or jump back through your vinyasa. Elbows stay hugged in, elbows bend to 90 degrees. Inhale, up dog or cobra, expand the heart. Exhale, lift the hips, tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Full breath in. Open the mouth, let it go. Bend the knees, look forwards. Step, jump or float, top edge of the mat. Your choice on how you travel. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale and fold. Inhale, root to rise all the way to stand. Exhale, hands to heart. Press the thumbs into the sternum. Breathe into the belly. Open the mouth, let it go. Inhale, hands reach all the way up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, swan dive, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the palms, step or jump back through your vinyasa. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Bend the knees, look forwards. Step, jump or float, top edge of the mat. Maybe you pop up into a handstand if that's in your practice. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise all the way to stand. Exhale, hands to heart. Full breath to reset. And let it go. Allow the breath to move you. Close down the eyes. Let's slow it down. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward fold. 3, 2, 1. Shake the head out. Inhale, halfway lift. 3, 2. Lengthen through the back of the neck. 1. Exhale, plant the palms. Step back through your vinyasa. Lower down. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, expand, upward facing dog. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3, 2, 1. Full breath in. Full breath out. Inhale, bend the knees, look forwards. Step, jump, float, travel, top edge of the mat. And then exhale, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise all the way to stand. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hands to heart. 3, 2, 1. Thumbs press into the sternum, full breath in. Full breath out. Let's move even slower. Inhale, hand sweep up. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, forward fold. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, halfway lift. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, plant the palms, step back, lower down, chaturanga. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, up dog. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, down dog. 3, 2, and 1. Full breath in. Full breath out. Inhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, jump or float, top edge of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, root to rise. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hands to heart. 3, 2, 1. Thumbs press into the sternum, full breath in. Full breath out. Beautiful. Another deep breath in. And let it go. Toes come to touch, heels slightly apart. Inhale, Utkatasana, find your chair pose. And then as you exhale, hands through heart, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the palm, step or jump back through your vinyasa, and I'll meet you in downward facing dog. Let's flow with our breath. Inhale, right leg rises, three-legged dog. Exhale as you step between the hands. Slowly, gently, quietly, top edge of the mat. Come up onto the fingertips, open the heart. As you inhale, rise up, crescent lunge. Lead with the heart. And as you exhale, hands come down, frame the back foot, low lunge. Inhale, twisted lunge, left wing goes up. Exhale, left wing goes back down. Inhale, right wing goes up. Turn the back heel flat. And as you exhale, warrior two. Inhale, flip the front palm, reverse the warrior. Exhale, extended side angle, both hands reach forward. Cultivate to core. Inhale, flip reverse. And as you exhale, hands frame the front foot, lower the hands down, and stepping back through your vinyasa. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left toes lift, three-legged dog. Exhale as you step between the hands. Come up onto the front fingertips. Lift the heart. Inhale, rise, crescent lunge. As you exhale, hands frame the back foot, lower down. Inhale, twisted lunge, right wing peels up. Exhale, right hand comes back down. Inhale, the left wing peels up, turn the back foot flat. And as you exhale, warrior two. Inhale, flip the front palm, reverse the warrior. And as you exhale, extended side angle, both hands reach forward, cultivate to core. Inhale, flip, reverse. As you exhale, turn back, top edge of the mat. Hands come down, frame the left foot and step back. It's you.We. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right toes to the sky, three-legged dog. Exhale, step between the hands. Open the heart space, come up onto the fingertips. Inhale, crescent lunge. Arms sweep up, open the heart. Exhale, hands come down around the left foot. Back edge of the mat. Inhale, twisted lunge, left wing goes up. Exhale, left wing comes down. Inhale, right wing goes up, turn the back heel flat. Keep lifting up through the top fingertips. Then exhale, find your warrior two. Inhale, flip the front palm, reverse the warrior. Exhale, extended side angle, both hands reach forward. Inhale, flip, reverse. Then exhale, hands come down around the right foot. Lower down, low lunge. Back knee comes flat. Untuck the back toes. Inhale, arms will rise. Exhale, interlace the hands at the base of the skull. Draw the elbows together across the front of the face. Engage through the left glute. Turn on through the core. Lift up through the heart. On the next inhale, maybe you'd like to invite lifting up the back knee, balancing on the top of the left foot. Full breath in. Exhale, lower back down. Hands come down, frame the front foot. Stepping back through your vinyasa. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left toes lift. Exhale, step it forwards. Inhale, rise up, crescent lunge. Exhale, hands frame the right foot. Back edge of the mat. Inhale, twist, right wing goes up. Exhale, right wing goes down. Inhale, left wing goes up, left heel turns flat. Keep lifting up through the top fingertips. And then exhale, warrior two. Inhale, flip the right palm, reverse the warrior. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, flip, reverse. Exhale, hands frame the left foot, lower down, low lunge. Back knee comes down, untuck the back toes. Inhale, arms will rise. Exhale, interlace the hands at the back of the head. Elbows draw together, lift the heart, engage through the right glute. Inhale, come up onto the top of the right foot, lift the heart. Exhale, hold. Full breath in. Exhale, lower the right knee back down. Hands come down, frame the left foot and step back through vinyasa. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, child's pose. Spread the knees wide. The hips melt back to the heels and the forehead finds the ground, gently rolling side to side. Walking the hands into the body. Interlacing all 4 fingers and then taking the palms of the hands away from the body and then up towards the sky. Open up through the heart. Finding any movements here that feel good. Drawing big circles with the palms of the hands above you, like you're drawing a big halo. You can choose to move the hips with it if you like. Generating big body circles, big body movements. One way and then the other way. From here, coming up into your tabletop, step the right leg forward between the hands. And then choose to come up onto the hands on top of the right knee. Engage through the left glute and open up through the left hip flexor. Keep lifting up through the heart space. You can choose to stay here or maybe reaching back, taking hold of the left foot, drawing it in towards the left glute. You'll find that by balancing directly on top of the left knee is a little bit uncomfortable. So I invite you to move forward onto the top of the left knee by hovering the weight, just gently moving it forwards. Maybe both hands want to interlace that left foot. Open up through the heart and then you can sink deeper into that right leg. Full breath in. Exhale, gently release. Hands come down and step back, narrow child's pose for 1 breath. And stepping the left foot forward. Same thing, hands can come to the left knee. Engage through the right glute. Open up through the right hip flexor. Open up through the heart. Choose to stay or maybe reach back, taking the right heel towards the right glute, reaching back with 1 hand, maybe both hands if you have the balance. Opening up through the heart, drawing the shoulders together across the top of the back, and then gently coming on just above the right knee by melting forwards, bringing the weight back into the left leg. Full breath in. Exhale, hands come back. And stepping back, narrow child's pose. And there you have it. Hopefully you feel a little bit more grounded and calm, connected to your breath. That's a quick flow that you can do anytime that you're feeling a little bit wired or anxious out of your body. It's something that can bring you back into the physical sensation and the power of the prana, the life force, the breath inside of us, and the ability that that has to soothe us and to be cathartic in any situation, any time, any moment. Coming back to what's important and what's inside that really counts. Namaste.